I'm so glad you gave me this opportunity to take you out for dinner, sweetheart.
Oh, it's just dinner, Jack.
But it means a lot to me.
We've had hundreds of dinners together.
But after our divorce, this is the first time. Honestly, I'm really nervous. I feel like I'm on our first date again.
Oh, stop exaggerating. Let's just order.
Oh, I forgot. I'm so happy to see you. What would you like to eat?
The usual, please.
Oh, I remember your favorite.
Thank you. So why do you want to have dinner with me here at this very restaurant?
Do you still remember this place?
Of course. This is where you proposed to me. But I remember because I have a good memory, not because of the proposal.
Don't be so cold, sweetheart. I know I've made mistakes in the past, but I love you.
You love me? Really?
Come on, sweetheart. Sophia, how have you been?
As you can see, I'm doing well.
How's work?
Oh, it's great. I got a promotion after our divorce. Everything's been looking up.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thanks. And you?
Work is okay, but I've been really busy lately, so I haven't had much time to relax.
Oh, I see.
Have you been dating anyone since our divorce?
No. And you?
Me neither. Honestly, I've been thinking about you a lot.
Oh, well, thank you.
Sophia, are you still angry at me?
Not at all, darling. If I were, I wouldn't have agreed to have dinner with you.
I'm so glad to hear that. And sweetheart, our house is still empty. Why don't you move back in? It'll save you money on rent. I promise I won't bother you if you don't want me to.
Why don't you live there?
Honestly, since you left, I've been afraid to go back home. I was scared of the emptiness without you. Believe it or not, I even rented another apartment after you left for a week. I couldn't face going back there without you.
So everything in the house must be very dusty.
I bet it is. But if you move back in, I'll come over and clean it for you.
Why are you so good to me?
Well, you're my ex-wife.
Ex-wife. That means it doesn't exist anymore.
But my love for you still does.
Oh.
And what about you, Sophia?
What about what?
Do you still have feelings for me?
Do I need to answer that?
Okay, fine. I don't want to pressure you, but I hope you still have a little bit of feelings for me.
I had a lot of feelings for you before.
I know, and I was a fool. I lost the most precious thing in my life.
Some things, once lost, can be found again.
Oh, really?
Yes, but there are also things that once lost can never be found again.
Oh, my love.
Anyway, thank you for dinner. I think it's time for me to go.
Oh, wait, sweetheart.
Aren't we finished with dinner?
Why are you in such a hurry? Didn't you say you were free tonight? Then please give me a little more time.
Okay. Is there anything else you want to say?
Honestly, there's something very important I want to tell you. Ever since we got divorced, I've been wanting to tell you this. I've finally worked up the courage. Sophia, I want to ask you, can we get married again?
Oh, Jack.
Sophia, I love you more than anything in the world. Please give me another chance to be the man who loves and protects you for the rest of your life.
Jack, you're putting me in a difficult position. We've been married once before, and that was enough for me.
Oh, Sophia, have you stopped loving me?
I don't know. But for the past 2 years, I haven't been able to forget that day. The day I saw you kissing my best friend. You broke my heart. I decided to get a divorce and give you your freedom. You should be happy because you're free to date whoever you want. So why are you back here asking me to marry you again?
Do you know why? Because I love you.
And you love her too.
I swear, I don't love her at all.
But you kissed her, and she's my best friend.
It was just an accident. Please, forgive me. I've been living in regret for the past 2 years. It will never happen again.
Oh, darling. Honestly, if you kissed someone else now, I wouldn't even care.
It seems like I've really lost you.
That's right, darling. Please give this ring to another girl. My hand can't fit your ring anymore. I have to go now. Thank you for dinner. And by the way, I have something to tell you.
Oh, what is it, darling?
It's time to sell our house, Jack.
Sell it. Why?
Yes, it's time to clean up all the old stuff and start a new chapter.
I see. You've really made up your mind.
Yes.
Okay, I'll do as you say. Sophia, I wish you all the happiness in the world. And if you ever need anything, don't hesitate to call me. I'm sorry for hurting you.
I've forgotten everything, Jack. I wish you happiness too. Now I have to go.
Be careful.